Welcome to Terreno, Naples, Florida. This new home community is planning to construct 680 new homes. Planned amenities include Homesites with golf course, water and preserved views, natural gas community, clubhouse with catering kitchen, fitness center, exercise studio, event hall plus card and activity rooms, 2 tennis courts, 8 pickleball courts, Olive and Thyme bar and grill, fire pit lounge, resort-style pool and spa with lap lanes, food truck drive-up, party pavilion and turf lawn, over 10 miles of walkways. Terreno is located next door to Valencia Golf Country Club, an 18-hole public golf course. 1- and 2-story single-family home designs from 1,405 to 2,894 square feet. Please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples for more information. Call 239-229-9926.